Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create clickable PDF documents in Canva for business use. So go to canva.com and log into your account. Starting with the right layout makes navigation easier. Design your pages with a clean spacing, headings, and visuals. A clear structure makes your PDF look professional and easy to read. So let's go ahead and open a new project. We can choose from either presentation or document. Let's go and use presentation. So adding clickable links. Let's start with adding more pages. So we can set up the clickable links. You can add any text, a link icon, add a website, email, or a phone link. This allows the readers to click directly from your PDF. As a guide, let's put as you can see here, I've added 4 pages, then have labeled these slides as page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. On this part, we can now create clickable buttons using shapes or icons and link them to the website or a specific page. For multi-page PDFs, link elements to specific page numbers. This is perfect for tables of contents or internal navigation, making your PDF more user-friendly. Let's say I'll go to the Shapes element on my Element tab. Then let's add a shape, for example, this square. There we go, I've added 4 elements. Then I will turn this into the clickable link buttons. So for this first button, the page 2, second button will be the page 3, third button, page 4. Then for my final button, I'll say, for example, let's put Google here. Then we will now add the links. So click on the text box, then right click, go to link, and let's link page 2 on this first button. Page 3, page 4. Then let's link the google.com here. There we go. So before exporting, preview the document and test every link carefully. So let's go ahead and click on present. Then let's test all of these buttons. Testing prevents broken links and ensures your PDF is client ready. So for the first button, it should bring us to the page 2. There we go. The second button, page 3. Third button, page 4. And the final button should direct us to Google. There we go. Now let's export our project. Let's close the presentation. Click on Share. Click on Download. And choose PDF Standard. This format keeps all of your links fully clickable. Now let's open our PDF. Then let's test our buttons again. Page 2, page 3, page 4, and google.com. There we go. Just some quick tips. Keep the navigation simple, use consistent button styles, and avoid clutter. These small details make your PDF easier to use and more professional. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.